Pilates breathwork with, oh, that's very loud, with Kelly. So I'm just waiting for Kelly to find me. She knows I'm live. Instagram is telling your followers that you're selected a live video. Here we go. Here's Kate. Hi, Kate. Say hi as you're jumping in. Here's CS Strength and Movement. Hello. Hello, Connor. Hello, Mark. Are you all teaching or training today? I'm going to wait for Kelly to come. This is always the bit, are they going to come? Am I going to find them? Let's wait for everyone. I do like doing that. So I'm just waiting for Kelly to jump in and then I can add her. Hopefully, viewers. There's Kelly Fitness. How do I add her? Okay. Let me get you. Hi, Kelly. I think you need to request. There you go. Let's try again. Hi, Kate. And if by magic, there she is.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. But we are so excited, aren't we? We're always excited. We live in a world in abundance of excitement, don't we?
I know, but this one's a little bit special because it's kind of sparked something like new that we've been both researching for quite some time, but we've kind of been putting everything kind of like that we've practiced really since BrainFit. You know, you launched BrainFit all those years ago, but really revolutionizing this and making it super functional as well. So it's definitely taking Fitness Pilates to another stream, another level, which is really exciting.
Yeah, it is. I think it's all come together nicely. I can think we are seeing the fitness industry merge with the well-being and the wellness industry, and we're seeing so much more rest, recovery, breath work. You're doing the ice bath. I'm not doing the ice bath. I'm never going to do the ice bath.
At the moment, though, I can honestly say that it's too cold. It's too cold.
I mean, I'll go outside and with just my kit on and do loads of content, but not an ice bath. But the Wim Hof breathing has just grown and grown, and we're just seeing more and more people recognize the importance of better breathing and how we can apply it to Fitness Pilates. So we've been doing so much research, haven't we, over the last time, just to try and see what we can fit into Fitness Pilates and how we can create, because Fitness Pilates is a functional Pilates program. So therefore, marrying functional breathing with functional Fitness Pilates is just a complete logical marriage, isn't it? So give us a few tips so people can understand, if they come to our workshop, our training tomorrow, what they're going to discover around Fitness Pilates and functional breathing.
So we're going to go into the depths of different breath and actually more focused than ever on releasing the rib cage. Like all the research that me and you have been doing, we've kind of really looked into a deep dive of how this rib cage and how the tightness within the rib cage, the intercostals, massively affect everything else. So not just affect your diaphragm and the way that you can breathe and expand your chest, but they have a knock-on effect with regards to scapula. So with regards to shoulder stability and shoulder strength, shoulder mobility, with regards to pelvis. Obviously, we're going to go into a bit of a deep dive on the old anatomy. I'm going to talk about fascia. The diaphragm is literally like, they think 50% fascia. We're going to talk about how it's connected with regards to QL and psoas. And obviously, if people have got very tight QL, very tight hip flexors, they might not realize that actually all of this is coming from their diaphragm. And we're going to really deep dive into releasing the diaphragm as well. So a lot of people who are Pilates instructors know how to work the diaphragm, and it's been always a focus for so long about, breathing correctly, but not really focusing on actually releasing the diaphragm. And both me and you have been looking at how to release the diaphragm, using techniques, like being able to palpate, being able to myofascia release the diaphragm, how they can apply this in their Fitness Pilates classes, and actually how to be able to breathe more effectively. That will then have a knock-on effect with regards to how these people move. So it's almost like learning how to release kind of internally to be able to get an effect from an external perspective. So yes, absolutely, we're going to be, looking at the mindset, the breath work and everything like that. But there's a lot more theory in this
I'm
about
excited, yeah.
how to release the diaphragm and how to effectively release the whole of the rib cage as well.
It's fascinating when you do understand how the diaphragm works anatomically and how you can use really simple mobility exercises with breath work, with specific breath work, how much of a difference it makes to your mobility, like you said, from your shoulders to your hip to your thoracic. We're always asked all the time, aren't we, can we come up with new exercises? People are always wanting new exercises and a new way of doing things to keep their clients excited and happy. Yet, when you understand breath work and how you can apply breath work to movement, it is mind-blowing of the results that people can get. So we'll be doing a lot of testing. So we'll be doing various exercises, basic Pilates exercises, how you can apply functional breathing and then retest so people can see how much further they can move. And I think our instructors are going to love that because it's something tangible they can see. Look, start here, do your regular shoulder bridge, apply functional breathing, and then retest. Look how much further you can get. Look how much more rotation you get. Look how much extension you get. And it's pretty fascinating how you can apply this really simple breathwork method to so much of the Fitness Pilates principles. And I think it's going to be huge. I think we're going to see more and more fitness and Pilates instructors who will be doing just breathwork classes, FP breathwork. I think it's something that you can incorporate right away because the research is pretty conclusive. It helps mindset, stress, anxiety, calming down the parasympathetic nervous system. It can help and improve your mobility. I mean, it's just endless. And as I said at the beginning, where fitness and wellness is all coming together now, this is just the perfect time to launch it. I think if we'd have launched this maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, or 3 years ago, it wouldn't have been right.
No.
But I think now is the time. Do you agree?
Yeah, and it can be applied to every type of client. So everything that we're doing, it could be done seated, it could be done standing. For maybe your older adults, and things for them like, improving their lung capacity, the way that they breathe is super important. I mean, we know that this time of year, everyone's got some sort of virus, some sort of bugs, there's COVID is still, very, very evident everywhere. To be able to improve, lung capacity and being able to learn how to breathe effectively, release everything is going to be so key for those people. But then also anyone who's working with athletes who want to improve like range of movement for shoulders, range of movement for hips, to the other end of the spectrum, this is absolutely key. And the other thing that a lot of people don't realize is many professional athletes, professional sports clubs, things like that, they are all doing breath work, not just from the perspective of calming down and a little bit of NLP and stuff like that, but also with regards to being able to move better, because they know that if someone can actually breathe effectively, properly, with diaphragmatic breath, which we've always applied, they actually can then get better range of movement in their sport, their activity, whatever they're doing as an athlete. So it's so unbelievably right now. It's just absolutely key.
And so simple with everything that we've been practicing, you and I. Amazing how much, when you apply the right breathing, how you can rotate further, how you can reach further, just everything improves. It's amazing. And there's some very simple techniques that you can use to mobilize the diaphragm that you can teach people how to do this and they'll be able to do it at home. I think everybody needs to learn these techniques. I think this is something that needs to be on all of the foundational ETM courses and conditioning training that we do, because it applies across the board. But initially, it's going to sit really well with the Fitness Pilates instructors. So we have been recording the videos, we've done the slides, we've done notes. All our Fitness Pilates training for 2024 will have slides and notes. There'll be special courses set up now. We've upgraded all of the choreography to go members area. So when you jump into a course with us, you're going to have everything step by step, and then you'll have your certificate, and there'll be lots of additional material. We've got classes, we've got workshops, we've got masterclasses where we're applying all this technique that you'll be able to access. So it will be really comprehensive. You won't just get the Zoom recording now. Everything will be done in a step-by-step format. So it's all being upgraded, because we know that you want this information and you want to be able to go back to it and find key pieces of it, and you don't always want to be going backwards and forwards on the Zoom. So you'll find our foundational videos, and then you'll also have the Zoom recording. But if you can't make it live, it's not a problem. This will sit as a standalone course. You can join us live from 12 o'clock tomorrow, but don't worry if you can't, then you can definitely get the recording and you'll get all the full course, the notes and the slides. So if you do want to join us, just, we can't always get the comments up here. So send me or Kelly a DM and we'll hook you up with the link. And I've also got a little discount code for you, so let me know if you want to join us tomorrow, and then come and find how you can use this breath work practices, not just in Fitness Pilates but across the board. Anything you want to add, Kelly?
No, I mean, obviously, we like we say, we're revamping all of our courses for 2024. I'm spending a day a month with you filming, where we are, revamping all the videos, everything that we've done. But with regards to this certification, obviously, this is for anyone who's trained in Fitness Pilates. Anyone who's done level 3 Pilates or level 4 Pilates, that's absolutely fine. Obviously, you must be a Pilates instructor, otherwise it's not going to make sense. And I've done that initial training. And I've done some masterclasses previously, and we've put those on the dashboard of how you can implement breath work, tapping, body brushing, which we're going to talk about. So we're really not only homing in on the breath work and how that's going to improve on mobility, but also how, like we said, a little bit of self-myofascial release, palpating, tapping, body brushing, all of that then can come part and parcel. We've got some beautiful positive affirmations to add in as well, which is going to, obviously, those instructors that like that feel, that want to improve people's mindset at the same time. It really is a full package.
Yeah, it is. And we've got lots of scripts as well. We've created some 5-minute scripts for everybody. So there's a lot going on. So if you want to come to the Fitness Pilates breathwork, functional breathwork tomorrow, functional breathing, send us a message. We'll set you up with the links and you can come and join us live, or you can grab the recording. But hope that helped answer any questions that you might have around it. Thanks, Kelly.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.